Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are talking about the 2024 Kia Seltos. The vehicle is standing right in front of us. Let's dive into the vehicle. But firstly, I would like to thank Done Kia Pune for providing the vehicle for a review. All the showroom details will be provided down in the description box. You can definitely check them out and get exciting offers on all the Kia cars. So let's get started with the video quickly. So firstly, let's come up to the front design. So you can see nothing has been changed from the front, everything remains the same. Just a slight changes has been done as the LED DRL has been moved a bit. The grille has been changed and the turn signals and the bumper has been revised by design. So yeah, that's the major thing. So let me come up and show you the LED DRL of the vehicle. So you can see the daytime running light over there, yes, and that's completely a LED unit. Everything is LED in the headlight, yes, that's for the high beam and that's for the low beam. You can see the indicator placement have been done beautifully well over there. Let me talk about the grille quickly. So you can see, yes, this is how the grille of the vehicle looks. Yeah, definitely the tiger nose grille is on offer and this looks very badass, definitely. And you get chrome across the grille, like chrome is splashed across this car. This looks very beautiful. Let me show you the front bumper over here. So you can see the front bumper is also revised and made a bit sporty. 4 parking sensors definitely, and a front camera, as this gets the 360-degree parking camera. Let me talk about the fog lamps over here. So you can see the fog lamps. Yes, these are the ice cube fog lamps on offer. Yes, definitely. So let me talk about the side profile of the vehicle. Quickly coming to the side profile. So you can see this is how it looks from the side. Yes, nothing has been changed from the side, like everything remains the same. It is like from the side it looks similar to the previous generation of the Seltos, but after all, some design changes have been made to the rear and the rear look really beautiful. I'll talk about the rear in a while. Let me talk about the tires now. So you can see, check them out. Yes, these are the 18 inches and it runs on 215/55R18. Yes, and the diamond cut alloy wheel design is very beautifully done. And you can see again chrome splashed across the slide gliding, and yeah, that's the part of the accessory. Definitely you can see chrome over there, you can see chrome over here, you can see chrome everywhere. Like everywhere chrome has been splashed and used beautifully well to make this a very premium SUV. Let me talk about the ORVMs over here. You can see chrome over here. ORVMs are finished in body color definitely, and you get a turn signal on the ORVM. You can see this. Just a second. Okay, you can see this triangle over here. Yeah, this gets the ADAS functions, right? There are level 2 ADAS on offer, for the 2024 Kia Seltos. Yes. So yeah, ADAS functions are also offered, which is a very beautiful touch. Door handles finished in chrome definitely. So let us talk about the rear firstly. It has a 50 liters fuel capacity and the average is around 18.9 kilometer per liter, the claimed average. It would return you around 15 to 14, what I expect, depending upon your driving style. Definitely, I just say this, depending upon your driving style. So let me talk about the rear end of the Seltos. So you can see it looks stupendous from the rear. Like you can see that muscular look over there. The tail lamps are beautifully designed. Such a bulky looking car this is. Like the car looks really very bulky. To be very honest, the car is just adorable from every single angle you look. The Kia Seltos is just a stupendously beautiful designed car, definitely. So let me talk about the tail lamps quickly. So you can see the tail lamps over here. Yes, these are the turn signals. Everything is LED over here. These are the DRL. It is definitely connected. Brake lights over here, and you get some kind of treatment over here, and it is surrounded by a chrome strip, definitely. So let me show you this view. Yes, you can see the connected tail light over there. Yep, beautiful, right? You get a parking camera over here and you have a request sensor to open the boot, definitely. Seltos written over here, GT line written over here, as this is the GTX Plus variant. Yes, you can see the reverse light is there, reflector, and finished in body color, definitely very beautifully done bumper. And you can see the main thing happens to be that you can see that dual exhaust, and those exhausts are functional. Yes, these are the functional exhaust, which looks very premium with such a bulky look. You can see this, beautiful, beautiful, just stupendous, like amazing look. Like, let me just show you the rear again. You can see how muscular this vehicle looks, yaar. This is just a beautifully designed vehicle. So let me quickly come up to the rear spoiler. You can see it has an integrated rear spoiler over here, a shark fin antenna there, a rear wiper too, high mounted stop lamp on offer. Let me show you the roof rails. So the roof rails are not functional, definitely, you can see, and a massive panoramic sunroof is on offer. Yes, definitely a massive panoramic sunroof. Roof rails are not functional. So let me just show you the boot space of the vehicle, which is quite impressive. Definitely hydraulic struts on offer, you can see. So you can see the boot. Yes, it is 433 liters. You can carry a lots of stuff. There is no kind of loading lip over here, so you can easily slide in your luggage and pull them out. You get storage space over here. You get storage space over here. Speaker placement done there, and definitely this is the mat, the accessory mat. And let me just show you this. So you have a steel wheel, and the tire size happens to be 21555 R17. Yes, 17 inch, 1 inch smaller wheel. Cost cutting has been done over there, but yeah, that's fine. You can see, and you can even have the partial shelf over here. You can see the 40-60 split over there. Yes, you can see the 40-60 split over there. From here you can just do this. Okay, just a second, and you can just tumble the seats down like that, so you get a quite better boot carrying capacity. But 433 liter is quite enough, like very, 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 very practical car, definitely. Let me just shut the boot, and it is back into place. Let me just get that seat back into the position. Okay, just a second, guys. Okay, the seat is back into place. So let us talk about the rear seat experience of the Kia Seltos. So you can see, firstly we'll talk about the door pads. So definitely it has a very, 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 very premium touch, and it has Bose surround system across the car. So yeah, the music system and the music quality of the car is also very, very, very phenomenal, definitely. So you definitely get privacy blinds over here, sunshades, and these are manually adjusted, but a very premium touch. You have gloss black over here, silver treatment right there, soft touch over here with a leatherette finish, hard plastic. Oh, this is soft. This is a soft touch material used over here. Rest down, everything is hard plastic over here. You can see the speaker placement done right there. Pocket, door pocket is given. 1 liter bottle can easily fit inside over here. Let me show you the cabin. So you can see this is how the cabin of the Seltos looks. Yeah, that's very, very, very spacious and very practical car, definitely. So let me get inside quickly. Firstly, let me show you this. So you have the Seltos branding done even over here. So that's a very, very, very premium touch over there. So let me get inside quickly. There's a lot to talk about this car, definitely. Like, it has various features on offer. So let me show you the leg room firstly. So you can see I'm very comfortably sitting over here. Under thigh support is very, very, very good, like really very good. Let me talk about the headroom. So yeah, adequate headroom on offer. I am not touching my head to the roof, being a 6 feet tall man, but yeah, I'm not touching it. So yeah, that's a very, very, very good touch, definitely. So let me show you the seats over there. So you can see definitely leather seats on offer, yeah, and you have white stitching over here. The upholstery is really very good, and the cushioning is also done very beautifully. You get dual tone colors for the seats, definitely, and the color play is very decent and minimal. That makes this car stand out. Like, you can see the quarter glass over there. Yes, beautifully designed car. Like, you feel very, very, very fresh inside this cabin. Of course, we get 3 adjustable headrests for the second row passengers, or for the rear passengers, and you can see the handles over here. 2 twin cup holders on offer. You can see the seat belt. Yeah, all the 3 passengers get the seat belt over there. Let me talk about the center console over here. So yeah, definitely this has the air purifier, which is at the moment shut down. Like, I have not turned on the car yet, so this is not working. Like, this won't work until and unless I start the car. Yes, you have a air purifier on offer. You can see dual AC vents over there, two USB and a storage space over there, and you can see a bit of hump is there, but three people can easily fit inside this cabin. Definitely you can see a handle to hold and a light. Yes, beautifully done. You get a handle and a light, definitely, and additionally you get a hook over here. Definitely you can see this window area is very beautifully done. Yes, that is a very good touch. Definitely I'll agree to that. Alright, so let me just get into the driver side of the vehicle, but firstly you can take a look of the dashboard. Yeah, it looks very premium, like beautifully designed, very sober, and yeah, minimalistic over there. Like the color play is minimalistic, but the dashboard is really premium and like eye catchy, definitely. So let me just get into the driver's seat of the Kia Seltos quickly. Opening the door, getting in and out, not an issue, definitely. Let us just come over here quickly. So request sensor for the driver side, yes, only for the driver side the request sensor is offered. You can see the door pads, same, the door pads are same over there. You have the window controls over here. Let me talk about the seat controls. So yeah, the driver side seat is adjusted electrically. Yes, electric seats, electrical adjust for the driver side is offer. Seltos branding done over there, and you can see the pedals over there finished in chrome, which look very beautiful. Let me get into the driver's driver seat of the vehicle quickly. Okay, so yes, we are into the driver side. So let me just start the vehicle. So you can see a full swipe up, and yeah, beautiful. When the screens are turned on, the car just looks wonderful, like wonderful interior. Definitely. Let us get started with the steering wheel of the vehicle. So you can see beautiful steering wheel is on offer, flat bottom, GT line written over here. Just a second. GT line written over here, Kia branding here. You can see controls for the infotainment system over there, controls for the instrument cluster over here. You get auto headlights on offer, and you have rain sensing wiper. Let us check the spray. So you can see decent amount of spray is on offer, and it cleans the windscreen in no time. Like yeah, the windscreen is really very clean, definitely. So let me talk about the AC controls over here, and I'll get to the instrument cluster there. So you can see silver treatment done over there, beautiful, right? Engine start stop buttons given over here, and you have the traction control off over here, auto hold, and the headlight leveler is over there. So let me talk about the steering wheel adjust. So you have both, like the steering is adjusted for both tilt and telescopic. You can see tilt and telescopic steering wheel is on offer, definitely. Let me just place it back into the position. So let me talk about the instrument cluster over here, but firstly let me just do this. Okay, so the hazards are off at the moment. So you can see that TPS monitor is showing over there. Okay, so you can see this ADAS functions over there, right? The navigation map over there, yeah, definitely, and a lots more functions over there, and there and here, like you can see this, yeah. So this is how it is, and definitely this have 3 driving modes and 3 traction control modes on offer. I'll just get to it in a moment, but firstly let me just explain this. So this is the speedometer, this is the tachometer. You can see the speed over here, you can see the ADAS features over here, auto hold is on offer, territory lights placed all over the place. Here you can see the gear positioning meter. You have the distance to empty over here, and you have the odometer over here. Engine temperature meter is shown over there, and the fuel gauge is located here. So let me just show you the instrument cluster. So I am changing the drive modes. So this is into the sport. So this is how it looks in the sport, into economy, and this is how it looks into normal. So let me just keep it into sport at the moment, but yeah, it is shifted to traction control. Okay, just a second guys. So you can see snow, mud and sand. So these are the traction control options, or the traction control controls for the Seltos for the 2024 Seltos. Yeah, beautiful and sleek operated instrument cluster. Like, this is just a amazing instrument cluster. Definitely very informative. Okay, so let me talk about the infotainment system. And yeah, this is also 10.23 inch ka unit. Yes, very sleek to operate, and yeah, this is like inspired from Hyundai, definitely. And I'll come up to more features. Like, there are various features to talk on to about the Kia Seltos. Yeah, this is definitely inspired, and the touch and feel is like other Hyundai cars. But yeah, like, definitely, if Hyundai has beautiful screen, then also Kia manufactures decent I'm sorry, it manufactures beautiful screens. Like, it is very fluid and sleek to operate. You can see this beautifully done. Let me get into vehicle settings. So you can see a lots of settings over there. Like, let me get into lights, and you can see this light controls are offered over there. Let me get into navigation. So you can see, let me get into maps. So you can see beautiful settings on offer. Like, beautiful, really very beautiful. Let me get into navigation. So you can see wonderful screens on offer now. And like, the screen doesn't even lag, or the touch feel is like really sleek. You can see this very beautifully calibrated screens over there. So let me talk about the ADAS features over here. So if, okay, just a second, sorry, I got used to the German cars at the moment. So yeah, that's it. So let me just show you this. So you can see that a blind spot monitor is given. If you do this, yeah, it has a blind spot monitor on offer, definitely. So you can see this. The AC controls are given over here. 2-zone climate control AC is on offer, definitely. And lots of physical controls are also offered over here. So let me get into maps. You can see this wonderful looking maps. Like, definitely you can see this very sleek. The maps are like really very beautiful, on point they are, definitely. And you have the favorite button over here, and you can set the like radio media setup over there. You can increase and decrease the volume. These are the AC controls over there, definitely. So let me talk about this. So you have a storage place over here, a wireless charging pad over there, and yeah, that's a wireless charging pad. You have a 12 volt. Okay, just a second, just a second, guys. Okay, yeah, it's getting dark. Now it is visible. So there's a 12 volt charging socket, a USB, a USB, and one more charging socket is on offer. You have a bit of you have some kind of storage place over here. Bar treatment is given over here, which looks very premium, definitely. And this is the 7-speed DCT, and it also comes in 6-speed manual. And there are various what do you say, various options for the engines, definitely. Like, stupendous job. Like, there are multiple engine options, there are multiple transmission options. So yeah, that's a very good touch, and Kia has like priced this vehicle very beautifully, and there are plenty of variants to like experience. I'll talk about the variants in a while. So you can see this ventilated seats both for the driver and co-driver side, parking sensor button over here, and a 360 camera. Yes, just okay, yeah, that's the 360 view. At the moment we are into navigation, so it is not showing, but I'll go into reverse and I'll talk about the camera quality. So let me just complete the center console. So you have this slidable cup holders over there, beautifully designed, electronic parking brake and auto hold, as is the GTX Plus variant. Yes, you have a storage place over here. This doesn't get the sliding treatment because of the air purifier, but yeah, you can see this, the air purifier is on at the moment. Yes, so let me just open this quickly. So you can see, yeah, the storage space is very decent. So let me show you this. This is soft touch. You have a speaker placement over there. This is hard plastic and this is hard plastic. Rest everything is soft touch over here. Let me just open the glove box. So you can see there lots of spaces on offer. Yes, definitely. And you have a sunglass holder too. Yes, you can see a sunglass holder is also on offer. You can see lights. Yeah, beautiful lights on offer. Let me just close the blind. So I'll again open the blind and show you the sunroof. So yeah, you can see beautiful, like like very beautiful, beautifully done. You have a toll receipt holder over here, and you have a mirror and not a light. And let's open the sunroof again. Yes, so you can see huge panoramic sunroof on offer. You can see this, like plenty of spaces on offer, and it gets a very decent feel and gives a lots of airy feeling inside the cabin if you open the sunroof. I'll keep the sunroof open at the moment because it's giving me a very good lighting over here. Yes, so let us quickly start talking about the pricing of the vehicle. So this vehicle is priced at 10.68 lakhs and goes up to 20.36 lakhs. Yes, that's how, like, that's how the pricing of the Seltos has been done. But to be very honest, in the segment, this car highlights in every single way. Like, it has 2-level ADAS features. I'll show you the ADAS sensor too, and like you name it and it has the ADAS function: forward collision warning, blind spot monitor, lane departure warning, fatigue reminder, everything you name it has it. So yeah, that's how it is done. So the variants, there are almost 13 variants for the petrol and 13 for the diesel. So yeah, definitely there are two engine options for petrol and two engine options for diesel. There are there is, the transmission is available in manual, IMT, and a 7-speed DCT, and even IVT is offered. Yes, so there are 4 transmissions on offer. So like, none of the car maker has been offering so much variance, so much options for engine, transmission, everything in the segment. And like if you compare this car with Creta, Elevate, or Kushaq, this car feels really premium. And like, this car is, like, to be very honest, this car fits the segment and is really worth all the money, because you have a lots of features on offer. Reliability is also on offer, and premiumness, you can of course see the interior. So yes, the interiors are on top, like top notch interiors on offer for the Seltos, definitely. So thank you so much for watching, guys. This is my video, but before ending the video, I'll show you one more thing which I missed. So this has an auto dimming rear view mirror, and these are the sensors for the ADAS, definitely. So this is my vlog about the Kia Seltos 2024. Yes, if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel, and please comment down. And if you agree with my words that this is the best car and the best selling SUV in this segment, so I will meet you in another video very soon. Till then, bye bye guys, take care, Jai Hind, love you all.